In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from eToro to your bank account. You can follow along on the mobile app or on desktop as I am right now. Now, if you're on desktop, in the left menu here, click Withdraw Funds. If you're on mobile, first click on the three lines in the top left, scroll down and there you will also find Withdraw Funds. From there the process is the same. So you can see I have two accounts right here, a USD account and a Euro account. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. For example, I'll do my USD account and click continue. Now here I can choose how much I want to withdraw. I'll set it to $30, which it shows is about 6% of my portfolio value. Then click next. And right here you can see your payment will be sent to a certain bank account. You can see the last 4 digits. This is the bank account I used for adding the money. So if you added the money with the bank account you want to send it to, make sure it's correct and then click submit and it will then be sent. There is a $5 fee here, so I don't recommend doing this too often. But if you click other payment options, you can also see right here I have another bank account and I can click add a new payment method. Then here I can add a first name, last name, country, currency, IBAN and more. Then hit submit and then withdraw to that account. But the process is a little bit different if I set it to Euro. So if I go back here and withdraw funds and select Euro account and then continue, here it shows a payee list. So this also works. It doesn't matter in which account you have the money, you can use either, but here you just need to click add payee and then set the country to your country, which for me is the Netherlands. Then add your first and last name. Here type in your IBAN. And then you can set a nickname just so you can recognize it, such as your name and your bank name, and then hit save, and then you can just select this account to withdraw to as well. So for example, I'll just do the $30 here, click next, and then click submit. And now you can see thanks, we've got your request and the money is now on its way to my bank account. I just hit thanks and it will now be gone from my portfolio value right here and on my way to my bank account. So now you know how to withdraw money from eToro to your bank account, either on mobile or on the desktop website. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.